In this video, I will show you how to create a professional flyer that will draw people's attention. Yes, I will teach you that all you have to do is to follow all my steps. Follow all my steps that I'll have to show you now. Follow all my steps and don't forget to subscribe and also share this video to your friend. I'm going to show you my screen now. Let's go, guys. See what you will do. Go to Play Store. Once you go to Play Store, you are going to download PixelLab, which is exactly this app. That is the one you are going to download. Exactly this app. You download it. Once you install it, once it's like this, then we are going to select our color that we want to use for the background. Select color, then you select the color that you want to use. If it is blue, you select blue. Any color that you want to use, then you select it. I'm going to use this blue. I'm going to use the blue for the tutorial. I'm going to use this blue. You see it. Then see what you will do. You press good. See what you will do. We are going to add our shapes. Press on the middle, which is here. Then select the shape that you want to use. Press on that shapes. You select the shapes that you want to use. Press on that shapes. Then you position it the way you want it. You want the shape to be. Position it the way you want the shape to be. Keep it here. Then you press OK. We are going to upload our picture on that shapes. Our picture is going to be on that inside that shapes. Then you scroll. You will see texture. See texture here. Press on that texture. Then you select the picture that you want to use. Select the picture that you want to use. We are going to select the picture. Let's select this one. Then you scrub it the way you want it to be. Just scrub it the way you want it to be. Keep it the way you want the picture to be on that inside the image. Then you press good. You see it. Then see what you are going to do next. We are going to look for stroke, which is this one, to design the circle to the color that we want. If you want it to be red, if you want it to be blue, if you want it to be white, I think white is good. Yes, white is good. Let's go. Then after there, we are going to select our shape again. We are going to select our shape again. See it. Then tap on that shape again. Select the same shapes. We are going to put the shape inside this one to make it look more amazing. We are going to put it inside here. Then once you keep it here, see what again you will do. Position it the way you want it to be. See what again you will do. Then you will see to back, which is this one. Press on it. You see it have entered inside this one. Then design the circle. Look for stroke again. Then design it the way you want it to be. We are going to design this with white. Design it with white. White is not visible. Let's select the one you want. Then black is okay because black is going to fit it. Then see what we will do. And then we are going to add our text. Let's add our text. Go to A here, which is text. Then press on that text. Medical checkup. Then press OK. Then you position it the way you want it to be. After that, we are going to select our let's select font. Go to font. Then select how you want the letter to be. Then after that, you are going to select size. Look for size. Select the size, how you want it to look. After that, see what again you will do. Go to look for look for line spacing, then reduce the line, make it to come closer. You see it. Then our test is good. I think it's good like this. It's good. Then see what again you will do. You are going to add another test. We are going to add another test. Come for your, then you position it the way you want it to be. Then you are going to look for font again. Look for font again and select the letter, how you want the letter to be. I'm going to use this one. Then look for size. Then select the size. I think it's okay here. Come for your medical checkup. Then we are going to select another shapes. Go to here, select another shapes. Then we are going to add another text on it. Yes, what you get. Here is what you get. Then you are going to change the color for it to be visible. Go to color, then change the color to any you want. You're going to use black. Let's use black. Then after that you are going to look for font. Then select how you want the letter to be. Let's use this one. And after that you are going to select size. Go to size, then you select the size. You see it's coming up. Then see what we are going to do again. We are going to select another shapes. Select another shapes. And see what we do again. We are going to select our, we're going to add our text. Let me use www. You are going to add your website. You are going to add your website, www.medicalcheckup.com. And press OK. Then you drag it. You know what next? You are going to add your, you are going to change the color first for you to see what you wrote. Change the color to black. Then come to size. Select, then go to select, first select font for you to change the letters. Select the font. Then you position it the way you want it to be. You see it? It looks so amazing now. Then we are going to add, see what again, we are going to add Instagram handle. We are going to add Instagram handle. See how to add it. Press up here on that plus sign. Then you select from gallery, which is this one. Then you are going to add the name of your account, where they can find you. Let me just use Jerry. You know what next? You are going to change the color first for you to see what you wrote. Then you go to font, change the letter. Then you are going to look for size. You position it the way you want it to be. Just position it the way you want it to be. You see it. Then see the final option you are going to take. Go to text again. Press edit. Check your BP. Then cancer checkup. Checkup. Then free drugs. Then free consultation and free surgery. Then you press OK here. You bring it down. Go to your font and change the letters the way you want it to be. You position it the way you want it to be. Go to size. Go to size. Go to size. Then you position it the way you want it to be. Just keep it the way you want it to be. You see it. It looks so amazing here. Let's change the color. Black is not okay. Yes. This one is okay like this. Check your BP, cancer checkup, free drugs, free consultation, and free surgery. You see it. It looks so amazing. So see what we are going to do. We are going to add shadow on these letters, which is this one. Let's add shadow on it. It makes the graphics to come out. Select on shadow. You see what you will do next. Go up here. We are going to upload. Go from gallery. From gallery. Then upload this. You see it. Then see what we do. Go to stroke. Go to stroke. Then design it the way you want it to be. You see it. Our fly is here. Our fly is here. This is how to design it. Then if you want to save it in your phone, see what you will do. Press up here. You see it. Save as project, save as image. Then press on that save as image. Press save to gallery. You see it. Then go to your gallery. You will see it there. You see it. See our fly here.